Hey viewers, welcome back to my channel. Are you looking for an easy way to create stunning Valentine's Day videos right on your phone? What if you could make your content even more special with just a few steps? Wondershare Filmora is here. Simply download it and after downloading, open it. And here is the software interface. Here you can see we have different features. Down below here you can see we have explore button, simply click on it. And here we have the template feature. Here you can see we have thousands of templates, you can use it. But in this video, we will talk about how you can create Valentine's videos. Simply click on the search bar and here search Valentine template. And here are the result. You can try these templates, I will select it. You can create a stunning videos in minutes. So I hope you will find this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.